Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this DIY mommy and me outfit for my daughter. So first of all, this is going to be a spin-off from my dress that I did with McCall pattern 8109. And all I did was just take the fabric that I used for the dress that I used in my other video and decided to use the simplicity pattern to make her this outfit. But bummer, I could not find the instructions for it. So this whole video is not by the instructions. It is by just me knowing how to put a dress together. So first I just took the first pattern which you've seen and basically serged it into a gather and just clipped the back end together and just sew that down. Now I'm taking the top piece, which is the bodice, and sewing those together too. So it's supposed to be a button up in the back where it buttons up, but instead I'm using knit, so I decided to just leave the buttons out of it. And by the way, I did forget to tell you the number of the pattern, just in case you guys want to do this. It is Simplicity 8304. I do not understand why I cannot say simplicity today. It's just a word for me today that I need to just get over right now. So now I insert the bodice into the skirt, so I'm just gonna sew it together so it can be one pretty little dress. So now that I put the two pieces together and I have a full dress now, I'm just going to cut off excess because I felt like it was a longer dress than I wanted for her. And I just used my rotary cutter to do that. And so the best part to this dress is actually the pom-poms that I trimmed that I ordered from Amazon. And I thought it gave it a festival look, if you get what I'm saying, like a fun look. So, especially since it was for her birthday, I thought it was very cute to add the pink pom-pom trims. So I decided to just put the trim around the armholes and also on the bottom of the dress, but I was still like in between of adding it on the neck, but I did decide to do it around the neck. It was either that or doing a bias tape and just sewing it on the neck to give it a finishing look. And I'm pretty happy that I am happy that I went with the pom-pom trims around the neck, just because I feel like it gave it that, you know, look that I was looking for, like that exotic look for a birthday, like something you just can't buy out of a store. So I'm happy I went that route. Even though it was my first time adding this type of trim on a garment, it ended pretty good. If any of you guys ever sewn for a little kid or for a baby, you should know, like, I'm pretty sure y'all know, like, the pain of sewing around a hole or the armhole or the neck hole, because it's just so small. Like, I really had to take my time to make sure my stitches was on point and straight. Like, I can't lie, I even messed up on the armhole, like, but you can't really tell, but I could see it. So it's just very tedious and time consuming to do these holes with these little kid outfits. And I just want to say thank you guys for showing my video love, the rhinestone padded headband. It got so many views, and if you guys have any recommendation of what I should do next for my new videos, just leave it in the comment below. And this is pretty much it once you add on the trimmings of the pom-pom trimming. And I did put something at the end just to show you guys how everything came out for her birthday. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye!